Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will take you to a very beautifully designed house, Raj and Apeksha's house. Let's get in. Hello and welcome everyone to our home.
Thank you. Wow.
So this is the foyer, and we are both a great devotee of Sai Baba, and that's why we wanted to. The first thing that we wanted to look at when we went to the house is Sai Baba, and that's why he's here, showering his blessings. This is our foyer, and we have kept it simple. We tried to make it a little elegant. We also wanted a touch of a waterfall here, and that's why we have a fountain. And this is a cute little shoe rack. Let me take you to the guest room next. So this is our guest room. So if you look, we have kept grey as a theme for this room. But this is a 3D wallpaper, and the color here that we've used is dove grey. And the interior guys that we've used is Home Lane. They have done an amazing work. All the woodwork has been done by them. We have just tried to accessorize it the way we want it, but overall the woodwork is done by Home Lane. So Home Lane, great job done. And yeah, this is a small little cozy corner for us, and we have a blind put here and not a curtain. We wanted to give it a different touch. False ceiling, we have kept it minimal. Yeah, and I hope there's sufficient light in here. Before we move ahead, let me just show you the foyer, the full view of the foyer. These are the rafters that we have tried to put in. These are false ceiling with wooden panels. Alright, next is our kitchen, and that's my favorite area because I spend a lot of time here. So,
Whoa.
you like it?
Beautiful.
Great. So this is again another shade of grey. It's a little darkish on the side. This is a unit. This is a microwave unit. I have tried to put this one open so that appliances are kind of easily accessible. We have this. We've tried to keep the Kent covered, and then we have got this customized. When you have the spices accessible and you don't have to keep opening the shutters every now and then, it just becomes very, very easy. So that's why this was an idea that I got from my sister-in-law. She had the same thing and I tried to copy it from here. And this is the chimney, this is the hob, and I've tried to put a little small vegetable basket. So I really wanted to highlight this area. This is a tall unit that we have. It's a must thing. You should definitely have it in your kitchen. It would save you a lot of space. If you see here, my entire ration, the entire thing for the whole month is put in here.
You got so many things.
Oh yeah,
in just a small corner. Very nice.
Yes, and it comes out and it is really spacious, and it's around 7.5 feet tall, maybe 8 feet. This is the guest washroom. And we had a small space here, so we kind of tried and utilize it for the dining basin. We have tried to match it with the wooden work, and if you look at the ceramic basin here, and it has that wooden texture. This is one of my favorite taps. It just gives you that antique look. Alright guys, the next section would be, please come forward. Alright, so this is the dining area. We still have a dining table to come in here. We call this wall as the wall of moments, and the concept behind this is that we want to capture each and every moment that we've spent with our family, with our friends, with our relatives, everybody, and some people who are very, very close to our heart. And yes, this is a vintage clock that we just put here for, just looks nice. This is a chandelier. It's going to be just above the dining table when it's here. This is the balcony area. Check out this area. This is my husband's favorite area, especially and typically on Saturdays, on weekends. This is a crisscross thing for the bottles, for the wine bottles, and we have different glasses put up there. Some of the glasses have been chosen by my husband, so wow. This is a high-rise table and chair. So we bought this furniture from Pepper Fry. It gives you the feel of a bar when you are in a bar, sitting on a bar counter and having your drinks. And this is the crockery unit. We've tried to keep it again simple. There's a plant there just to make it look a little green. This is a mug that we kept it for like around 3 years because it's from Norway. It was when my husband was there. And just today, guys, it's my birthday, so you can wish me and you can.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Apeksha.
Thank you very much. And yeah, we just had Satyanarayan Katha today.
Yes.
And that's why you see it here.
It's a double celebration. Apeksha's birthday and our housewarming. Okay, let's show them our puja unit. Yeah. And there are some storage. When storage are there, there are some drawers. I think it's a good one.
Yeah, it matches with the color theme.
Yeah.
Alright, up next is our parents' bedroom. Our parents visit us often, so we have kind of reserved a room for them. Alright, get in. So let us start with this. This is a study area. The color texture that we've used here, it's again a shade of grey, and this is matte. This is matte grey, and the cream color that you see there is called champagne. We've tried to just mix and match the grey and the beige. And we also have a balcony on the other side. There's a wallpaper here. Try to make it a little colorful by adding a few flowery wallpapers. Let's move on to our master bedroom. So as soon as you enter,
Wow.
This is the washroom. So for this, like I mentioned before, we've tried to keep the false ceiling minimal. And because we had wooden flooring in this room, if you'll see, we have wooden flooring in this room. So we just tried to, we thought probably we could match it with the false ceiling. And we have big French windows in this room. We have 2 of them. And just like the guest room, we also have a blind put here. And this is our small study area. So 2 things that I would specifically like to mention about this room is the bed. I always had a thought in my mind how I wanted my bed. So if you see, I have 2 headlamps on both the sides with storage. There are drawers on both the sides with storage. And I wanted this to be at a height because I wanted a grand looking bed. And we also have a wallpaper here. It's very light in color. This is beige because this room is more of beige and brown. This is a dresser that we have again bought from outside. And the second important thing in this room is the armadio. So this is armadio, also known as Aristo, with most of the interior designers. And this is something that we have customized. This was the first time that Home Lane kind of made it. They said they have not done this in the past. So this is an L-shaped armadio. It is very, very spacious, and the best part is you don't have an additional loft on top. And if you see, there are 4 shutters in here, And you'll also see a lot of mirrors in my house because me and my husband both are very, very obsessed about ourselves. Alright, last but not the least, the heart of the house, that's the living room. Please come. This is our living area. You'll see what this is, and this is absolutely not matching with anything here.
Yeah, when I spend Saturdays over there, most of our Monday weekdays being spent here.
Yeah, so the thought behind this is that we wanted a small cozy coffee corner. We might not be having coffee here, but yeah, just to say that. So this we bought from Royal Oak. All right, so up next is a tripod light, and if you see, we also have a wallpaper in here. And this is the sofa This is also from Royal Oak. And we have a recliner here, though I wanted to put a wind chair, but my husband thought it would be more relaxing to recline on a recliner and just sit through the day. So yeah, would you like to demonstrate?
Yeah, I think that's the best part of the house. This is the best part of the house.
And trust me, he has already fallen asleep twice on this recliner. And yeah, this is a small library or a bookshelf. I've also put a plant. If you see in the entire house, we've just tried to put in small plants to make it look green. Though they are artificial, but you wouldn't be able to make out. And yeah, this is the TV unit. So for the TV unit, I would like to say that we have tried to keep it very, very simple. We have 4 cabinets. They are all push to open. And we also have a strip light just behind the TV unit. And one thing that I kind of missed was this chandelier. We were very skeptical as to should we go ahead with this or not. I feel we've taken the right decision. So we are coming to the end of the video, and I would like to introduce 2 most important people. So this is Caillou. She's my niece.
The cutest.
Just like my daughter.
Cutest.
She's very, very
Say
naughty.
hi, Caillou.
Say hi, Caillou.
Hi.
And this is Simba.
Hey Simba.
Simba, say hi. Say hi, Simba.
He's so lazy now.
He is very lazy, but he's super naughty.
Good boy.
He's had a rough day. You know, sleeping and eating could be very, very tiring some days.
Okay, hope you liked our home.
Yes, I really hope that you guys liked our video, liked our house, and I'm not sure, but maybe we tried to help you with some of your interiors that you could probably look out for. And yeah, if you need references, you could definitely refer Home Lane. They've done a fantastic job.
And of course, thanks to our Didi.
Thanks to our, yes, my sister-in-law, Didi Lakshmi Didi.
And thanks to our channel, Versatile Ground. Do subscribe,
Absolutely.
like, and please share the video.
Yes, hit the bell icon. I really wanted to say that.
Yeah, so I think that it's time for celebration now.
Yeah.
Alright, it's my
Thank you, everyone.
birthday.
Hey, happy
Bye.
birthday Apeksha once again. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Very beautiful house. Good work.
Thank you.
Bye bye.